Hey guys, so today I thought that maybe we can do something like a commentary while I report this sansevieria or snake plant. So I have these two snake plants, these two pots of snake plants indoors, and it's been in this one corner, and it's been left to neglect. I've been neglecting them for the past 5 years, and they didn't really get enough sunlight, and I didn't really water them regularly. I think the last time I watered them was a few weeks ago, and it was normally I try to water them once a week, but that's like wishful thinking. I I'm actually really bad at watering when it comes to indoor plants because when you water indoor plants you have to use the watering can, and it's not like you can put like 10 liters of water inside. And when you have like a million plants like me, that one small watering can is going to last you just a few pots, and obviously you have to refill everything and then do again. It just takes too much time. That's why I hate to water my plants, my indoor plants. And if you've seen some of my videos, you'll know that I always use the hose for my outdoor ones. So that's why the ones indoors are a bit neglected, and I don't really look at them much until I really really have to. Anyway, I've had this snake plant when we first moved in. It was one of my first indoor plants, and we moved in to this house about 5 years ago, and so I know it's been about 5 years since I last repot the plant, and it's been in that one corner, never move it anywhere else, and basically I just left it there to do whatever. And it's been growing, but the thing is the leaves are also elongated because lack of sunlight. And actually one of the when I took it outside, the the plant just flop over. It can't even stand upright because indoor it was leaning against the wall, and that's the only way it can stand on its own. So, and I think one of the leaves actually break when I took it outside to repot. I put it on the ground, and one of the leaves just flop over because it was like elongated. It was too long and it's too heavy, so it just break on its own, just like that. And I didn't really have to do anything. It was already uh, committing suicide. So I thought, okay, today we'll just do a video about report. So as you can see, first you can see that how it's quite long. The leaves are long, but it's all thin leaves. It's not it's not very wide, because it's all elongated. It's not getting enough sunlight, and you can see the soil is dry, and that's old soil, so that's why I decided to remove everything, so that it can get new soil, and get all the nutrients in it. So and that is actually initially it's only one plant, but over the years it grows to become like those. I think there's two plants in one. So for this soil mix, I use somewhat gritty. It's not like my usual cactus soil, because this is for snake plant. Snake plant doesn't really need very gritty, succulent or cactus soil. So it's just some perlite and a bit of orchid bark for some difference in size. I always prefer soil that have the granules should be different in size to avoid it to become like block, like how to say, so it's not it doesn't become clumpy or something like that. So anyway, so so I'm using the pot is actually a smaller size pot, and I'm using this trellis, the metal trellis initially, if you watch the first plant that I repot, I actually forgot about getting something to prop it up, and I found this metal trellis to do it for the second one. So that should help to keep it from getting floppy all over, so that I can just tie it to the trellis. So you see, when you pot something up, make sure you slap the pot so that the soil can get through the roots, because the roots is quite big. You can remember, so you want the soil to get through the all the uh, roots. There's like uh, so you don't want the roots to be like in between the roots to have a empty space, so you want the soil to be in between that. So like you see, I tied it to the trellis so that it'll stay upright. So this is only temporary. It doesn't have to be a permanent thing, as only until it becomes stronger. And to make it stronger, of course, you have to make sure they get proper care, like proper sunlight, which I haven't done uh, so far. So hopefully after this report, I'm going to put it outside where it gets proper sunlight, and hopefully it'll grow better, stronger leaves. So that's it. Water it and we're done. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye.